Hey guys, so this evening I'm gonna be making a lovely roast beef. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna season it and let it marinate for about 2 hours, maybe and 3. Then I will put it in the oven and cook it nice, low and slow. So here we go. So one of my friends bought me this book for my birthday in 2015 because she knows that I love cooking. And this is a Harry's book from Cipriani because I love Italian food, Italiano. But I took one of these tips from this book, which when seasoning your meat, you need to rub the pepper and everything in there, like really rub it in. So that's what I'm doing now. I am mixing my dry mix into this meat, and I'm going to do it for a little, like maybe 10 more minutes until I feel like it's become one with my... So now what I'm doing here is I'm really getting this season into the meat, and I'm just mushing it in there, and it's just also tenderizing it. It's like I'm beating it. And this is all okay, guys, I'm all done. I think I rubbed it till I can't rub no more. And the string is still on there. You don't take the string off until after the food is done. So I don't know if other people take the string off, but I do not. I wait until after. Guys, so right now you can see my little indent that I put in there. Then we're just going to take a piece of garlic and just stick it in there. Get in there. Get in there. Okay, guys, so right now you can see I made a little incision there, and I already put some garlic. So I'm going to do it all over. And all I did was just do a little pinch like that because I don't want to jab up my steak. And then I just stick it in there. That's how it's going to look. You see that pepper and stuff in there? Oh, and this is not seasoning. That's a piece of fat, okay? I like the fat. More fat. And I have all of this to go, so I'm going to show you guys the after. Okay, so I'm all done. Now I'm just going to throw a little bit salt on top and put it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours, and then we'll put it in the oven. So this is our nice Saturday holiday dinner. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my roast beef is ready to rock and roll. I have taken it out, and as you can see, all of that good season that I put on earlier has really caramelized it for 3 hours. And on the bottom there, I have some butter, can't believe it's not butter, can't believe it's not butter. Yeah, that's what it's called. And that's just going to make it a little crispy on the bottom for me. So let's go, guys. That's it. Okay, so what I'm doing now here is I'm basting it. It's nowhere near done. But this is halftime, and this is all the juice that it's made on its own. No water. Okay, it's all nice and based. What I did now is add some onions in there, and it's time to pop it back in. Okay, so I took it out again to base it, and also to add some carrots and some potatoes. And I added the carrots and potatoes now because I like little pieces like floating in there. Half an hour or so. And I'll have some more that I will add that will be like just a little bit more harder. But these I want to be nice and soft. So they're going to cook with my roast. And we're halfway there. Well, I only need actually about another... Okay, so I took it out again to base it, and also to add some carrots and some potatoes. And I added the carrots and potatoes now because I like little pieces like floating in there. Half an hour or so. And I'll be okay, so now my voice is a little bit more clearer because it was like, it sounds funny like when you're sleeping and everything because I was so into that movie. But anyways, I sliced my roast beef. So now I just wanted to get a little bit browner and soak in all these good, fabulous juices. So we're just going to put it in, and once the potatoes is done, I'm done. So, just to show you guys how tender it is already, look, you see, it's just coming apart. That's it. Woo! Just soak in those juices. Just stay in there a little bit longer. Brown. I want it brown. Yeah. It's going down. Wonderful. And I added my carrots and my potatoes. because as you can see, the other little ones, see how they're all nice, and just gives a flavor, and also it helps my broth. So that's it. It's finished. I know it's late, but I always cook late. That's just me.